Dang, look at that. Another freaking order. What's going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? As I'm recording this video, we did a drop on the Grow Design Works Flag 170 and G Flag 150. So for those of you that aren't following Instagram or Facebook, or if you're on here on YouTube, you're probably a little bit late to the party. That's just how it works. It's much easier for me to make a post on Instagram or Facebook than it is filming a video, editing the video, and posting it to YouTube. Now, could I have done one ahead of time? Yes, I could have, but I also prompted you in an earlier video to go follow the social media. So if you missed out, I apologize. But today's video, we're going to be going over the flags, the accessories, and all that cool stuff that went live at 9 o'clock on Monday today. So let's go ahead and just pop into it. First off, y'all, we are extremely honored and blessed to be able to get these in. The flag baits, what they were made for. This is what looks to be a fairly soft glide bait on the surface. You know, newer to the category, right? It's kind of a new category, not being broken into much. But the Flag 170 does come with some replacement eyes, and it comes with the little fiber things to help hold your hook in once it gets pulled out enough. But y'all, 170 millimeters. This color is called Target A. It looks kind of blueback carrying-y, smelty / IU. Very good overall baitfish color. Comes with amazing materials like the swivel and the split rings and the hooks themselves. Got the Teflon coat on them for ultra slick, easy hookups. This guy right here, again, 170 millimeters. You can glide it, you can swim it, you can do so many different things with it. One of the really neat things about the flag is that it's so, you can modify it just really how you want to fish it. You can add weight to it. You can even add lips to it. We've got two different types of lips. One's going to be a solid lip. One's going to be a little bit more flexible lip, depending on if you're fishing rocks or if you're around grass, you can rip it through. But again, you can do a lot of different things with the flag. It folds over very, very easily, and it is very, very floppy. Now, what equipment do you need to fish this flag with? Well, it really just depends. You know, you can throw a medium, really like almost a cranking rod if you want. You can throw a medium heavy, you can throw a heavy. Really just depends on what hook you want to run and really what pound test you want to run. I highly recommend anywhere from around 12 to around 17 pound line. You don't want too heavy of a line with this, and you definitely, I personally like to run fluorocarbon with it for a little extra stretch. These hooks here are not, I'm not going to say not the strongest, but they're not the thickest hooks. So you don't need a lot of power and hook set power to get the hooks into the fish. Now, if you aren't familiar with the flag baits, check it out right here. It's got an amazing heavy duty hook harness in the head. And this right here, it's going to pop out and allow you to fight that fish without tearing your bait up a ton. So that right there folds, or not folds, but it goes straight into the bait, and it's going to sit nice and flush. That's what I really love about this bait, number one. Number two, again, you can do so many different things with it. You can burn it on a straight retrieve. You can burn and stop, and it's going to dart out on you. And again, you can also add the lips on there. So very, very simple. Make sure you take off the split ring on here to get the hook hanger off, or not the hook hanger, but get the whole hook assembly off, add the lip, and then put it back on, and you can put the hard and soft lip on there. So again, you can use just about any rod you want. There's almost no wrong rod. It doesn't weigh that much at all. So really, you can throw this on a cranking rod. You can throw it on just a regular Texas rig rod. Whatever fits your needs, definitely do that. Next up, we got two colors in the G flag. We got FN monochrome, and we also got camo gill. I'm going to pop them out here. FN monochrome is going to be a very silvery baitfish looking bait, and the G flag is 150 millimeter, a little bit taller to resemble more of a bluegill. There it is right there for y'all. Very, very cool color. You don't see a lot of this color overall, just in the marketplace. Now, this one's a little bit different. You can fish this one with the hook on the bottom or on the top. And I forgot to mention this for the 170, but they have joint dampers, which allows you to get a little bit more of a glide out of the bait. And then the same thing for the 150. That damper is going to go around the bait, and you stick it right in the joint there, and it's going to allow it not to fold over all the way. For the top hook assembly on the G flag, all you have to do, take off the split ring, put it on the top, and your hook's going to go sit right in the top slot there. So if you're fishing really shallow water or around grass and you don't want your hook to really get in that grass, you can put it in the top, and it's going to allow you to fish it a little bit more weedlessly. Now, there isn't a lip for the 150, but trust me, y'all, this thing swims absolutely insane. So again, that was the FN monochrome, and then I have camo gill right here. And camo gill is going to look kind of just like a copper nose bluegill. Just about any sunfish that you'll normally find there. A little bit more brown in it, very natural looking bluegill profile. It's got a little blue and a little orange right under the chin there. Of course, it has a little bluegill dot on the gill plate. But these, you can swim them, you can glide them. This thing is insane. Now, for some accessories for the G-Flag, you do have this guy right here. This is the G-Flag repair kit. It's going to come with 2 tungsten nail weights, as well as 2 BBs, and 2, swivels. 2 swivels. So, if you want the extra stock accessory repair kits for the G-Flag, make sure to hop on there. We have limited quantities in all of these as well. So, limited quantities in the damper, the repair kits, as well as these guys right here. We've got replacement eyes in 2 different colors for the G-Flag and for the Flag 170. So we've got 2 colors. We've got mint and we've got lime, and you can check them out all on the website using the links below. Some other cool things if you're into some stickers. Oh, Abby just took the last monochrome there. So we are currently out of 170 and monochrome. So all we have left are literally a couple camo gill. But if you did purchase them, thank you again. We do have stickers available. I'm sure a lot of you didn't see the stickers on there. We got them in ivory, blue, gray, and mint. So there's ivory. It's going to look very kind of gray, almost not quite tan. Got this guy right here. This is blue-gray. Very, very cool. And then we also have mint, which, guys, you get two stickers in there. And they both say Crazy Swim Bait Bass with Grow Design Works at the bottom. So make sure to definitely check these out on the website. I know a lot of them are sold out there. But if you need some accessories, definitely go get them because these things are super, super dope. And guys, if you aren't already, follow the social media, Instagram and Facebook. We greatly appreciate each and every one of you that has purchased with us, or if you just watch us here on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, we greatly appreciate you as well. So thank you so much, Lake Pro Tackle fam. We'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See y'all.